In 2009, the Tata Nano created a new benchmark for all the entry-level compact hatchback in India. It set a new rule for all other car manufacturers. Now, under its Horizon Next principle, Tata Motors has been upgrading all its cars. The Zest and Bolt have got its edition, and now it's time for the Nano. And we are here in Pune to drive the all-new Gen X Nano with an easy automated manual transmission. The 2015 Nano has been branded as a Gen X version because it's supposed to be the next generation version, and 6 years after it has been launched, it has finally got a lot of updates. The headlights have got a smoke treatment, the Tata logo has got a very profound position, the front bumper has been changed and it has a smiling face which also incorporates the latest humanity line as Tata love to describe it as. The tail door now can be opened because unlike in the previous generations or the last model, it was not, and it was a constant feedback by a lot of Nano owners as to why this tail boot could not open. Now that it has finally opened, a lot of boot space has been freed up. So the AMT gets a boot space of 94 liters, while the manual transmission gets it for 110 liters. Tata people also tell if you want to free more space, if the second row seat is folded down, you can almost free up to 500 liters of boot space. Now inside the new Nano, there are again a lot of additions. First of all, it gets the brand new signature style steering wheel, which has also been seen on the Bolt and the Zest. The instrument cluster has got a lot of updates. Yes, even the last version has got updates, but now it also features a gear shift indicator, which also tells us about the different mode, be it auto, sport or manual transmission. The color of the trims has been changed. It has a latte color of display. Even the seat fabric now feel more premium. The Nano continues to be a spacious offering compared to its competition, and even the air conditioner, Tata Motors say that it is 15% more powerful and it takes a lot less time compared to its rival cars in the compact segment. Now in the Gen X Nano, the 624cc twin-cylinder engine makes 38 PS of power and 51 Newton meters of torque. But this engine is mated with an automated manual transmission, which is of a 5-speed unit. Now this automated manual transmission is gaining a lot of popularity because it's very easy to make and it's not very expensive to manufacture. Now the AMT gearbox in the Nano is a very impressive gearbox because even though the displacement is small and the unit is relatively small, it's very quick in shifting. It's really nice, it's agile. Of course, it will not support a lot of hurry style of driving, like during overtaking, during maneuvering on a very high speed, the box is not very quick. But in case you're driving really nice and you're commuting on a highway, the Easy Shift gearbox is very convenient. But the ride and handling has also improved. There's an anti-roll bar to make sure the vehicle is stable on high speeds. Even in terms of safety, there are a lot of additions. For example, the new crumple zone, the reinforced body structure, the addition of intrusion beam on side make it really nice. And Tata Motors has done that because the rear tail door now opens and is not an integral part of the entire assembly. So just to make the car feel more safe. To sum it all up, the new Gen X Nano gets a lot of additions outside and a lot of appealing interiors inside. The Easy Shift gearbox is really a nice addition and is really convenient. And if you try to let go the sluggish nature of it, you would actually realize that this AMT Nano is the most economical automatic car to be sold in the world. So I think the Nano AMT should be a good choice for someone looking for an automatic hatch at a very minuscule budget.